Welcome back to PDAC on the Floor 2025. I'm here with Gary at Starcore. Gary, how are you? How's the show?
Just fine. The show's great, as usual.
Perfect. Now, give us a little bit of an elevator pitch on what Starcore does and what are you up to right now?
We've been around we've had Starcore, the mine in Mexico, for 20 years now. We produce gold and silver in Mexico, in Querétaro, Mexico, with the San Martin mine. It's been a good mine, up and down. It's been producing good cash flow, and right now with the price of gold, we're cash flowing fairly well. So in the last year, we've taken on a couple of other projects. One is El Oro in Mexico, about 3 hours from our mine. It's a tailings project, and we're going to raise some money to create a separate circuit at our mine, but we're going to cart the tailings over. It's about 1.3 million tons, and it should double our production by the end of the year, we hope, anyways. And we also have another project to process the carbonaceous ore at our mine, which is actually starting to strip ore now, gold now. So we're going to be producing a bit more gold than we are now just from that project alone. And our third project is Côte d'Ivoire in Ivory Coast, and we're acquiring over 1 million hectares of property there. But it all started with the Kamukro mine down there, Kamukro and Umi, and we're doing exploration. We've probably spent close to $400,000 US on it so far, but we're planning on ramping that up and doing some drilling. And there are a lot of companies around us that are having good finds, and we're hoping that we get the same. So we have greenfield, we have producing to fund a lot of this, and we have projects in Mexico that are going to double our production. So it's looking good right now.
And who doesn't like projects in Mexico? Let's be honest, right? One more question for you. Why should investors be watching you right now?
Well, just for those reasons. We're cash flowing well right now, and if these projects, the El Oro project comes on stream and the carbonaceous ore gets into full effect, we're going to be doubling or more our production in Mexico, which means doubling our cash flow, and a lot of that is profit. And our blue sky, if you want to call it that, is basically Ivory Coast, which is probably one of the hottest mining exploration areas in the world. All the big companies are there. Endeavour PLC, Montage has a good project going there. It's one of the places that everybody wants to be.
So exciting. Now, where can we find you? What's your ticker symbol? What's your website?
Our ticker symbol is SAM, S-A-M. Website would be www.starcore, STARCORE.com. And yeah, that's where you find us.
Well, thank you so much for your time today, and really, honestly, enjoy the show.
We will.
I'm Lindsay Melchuk from The Floor. We will see you soon.